Hey guys, what's going on? This video is on my Shout carpet cleaner with Oxy. It's a carpet cleaning foam. Has a picture of a dog and a cat on there because, well, that's why I use it. I have two cats and sometimes they have a hairball incident and it's usually on the rug and I'll have to go ahead and clean it. So it comes out as like a white foam. The directions are on the back. It's actually, I have to say it works really good. I do have like a grayish, it's not like a white carpet, but it comes out of the gray really well to the point where you can't even see it after I clean. So I'll of course remove like the excess hairball, and then the directions are shake the can well with aerosol facing the carpet about 3 feet away. Spray the foam evenly over the stain, saturate the soiled area, and let the cleaner absorb into the stain for 3 to 5 minutes, which is what I do. And then for best results, use a cleaning brush to rub the foam into the fabric. What I do is I just usually use like a rag, vacuum it when dry, repeat if necessary. So usually drying takes like a couple hours, but I have also used it on my couch. It's microfiber. So, I mean, it really is for carpets, but it's also just FYI, it has came out on stains on my couch as well because my kids have dropped like milk and juice and stuff like that. But really it is for carpets and especially for, dog and cat messes. Works really well for it. It's a white foam. You just hold this down and it sprays out. Doesn't take up a whole lot of room in the cabinet, and I highly recommend it, you guys.